Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to upload videos on Instagram in 4K. For this, open the Instagram. Here it is. Tap on your profile icon in the lower right corner. Then on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner, scroll down and find for data usage and media quality. Select it. Here you will find data saver, toggle it on, and also toggle on the media upload quality, upload at highest quality. By enabling it, you will see that always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer, will be highlighted. And when this is off, they will actually adjust upload quality to fit network conditions. In this way, you can upload your videos on Instagram in high quality or in 4K. Thank you. Stay tuned for more such videos. Do like, comment and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.